What is Java in 1 minute? Well, Java is a popular programming language. It is known as write once, run everywhere. Well, as a Java programmer, we write the Java program and then we use Java compiler to compile that Java program into a bytecode. Next, we can run or execute that bytecode on different platforms. For example, we can execute that bytecode on Windows operating system, Linux operating system, or Mac operating system. It means Java is basically platform independent, and you can use Java to develop a various kind of applications. For example, you can use Java to develop the web application, you can use Java to develop the Android application, you can use Java to develop the desktop based applications, you can use Java to develop the enterprise applications. Even you can use Java in a big data applications as well, for example in Hadoop. Java has awesome features like Java is object oriented programming language, Java is a platform independent, Java supports multi-threading, Java is basically provides a security, and Java is portability, means write once, run everywhere. Okay, so Java is awesome, guys. If you are new to Java and want to learn Java programming, then check out my YouTube channel as well as my blog as well. I'm pretty sure that you love the Java programming.